Okay, because they're gonna start pulling from the actual raffle soon, and because I'm tired of sitting in line, so I gotta give you the next tip of how to build your business from a launch. Here's my great example. Okay, guys, when you see the final reveal and see all of the videos that she did and all of the things that she used to make philosophical examples for creating content and telling a story about her business, you're going to understand how powerful that is. But this is just a quick example that I want to show you guys. Look at this right here, okay? This is, one of those little things that you grew up watching the game shows where they would do it and they'd pull out the numbers, they'd pull out the winners, right? We simply stopped and took a picture that took us 5 seconds to take that picture, and yet that is a key piece of content for a follow-up series, for a Facebook post, for a YouTube video, for a blog post if you're a blogger. And here's why that's a very important piece of content, because you can actually use that as a philosophical analogy to talk about your business or talk about success in general. The way I would actually describe that, if you want my personal opinion, is I would tell a story about how most people feel that defines success right there, that you have to throw your name, that everyone in the universe has thrown their name into one of those little jugs and it's spinning around and spinning around, and randomly the only ones who ever achieve success are the ones that have been randomly selected from that box. And it's not just something that you can work your way towards. But truthfully, success is more like that shiny white Benz over there, because if you put all the pieces together properly, you can put yourself on the road to wherever your dreams want to take you. And that's the truth that will set some people free when you introduce it to them. And the only reason they're not free right now is because they haven't heard that message yet. And you being the first one to share that message with them and open their eyes in that exact way, it's the reason why they follow you forever. And when you say buy something, they buy something. So take action, think of ways that you can think outside of the box to tell a story about your business, and that's how you take your business to the next level and ultimately start living a life without limits. So I'll see you on the next video, and as always, I'll see you at the bank. Take care.